welcome back to another day of video. And essentially what's going to happen is we got a level 2 out of 5 for tornadoes, level 2 out of 5 for wind, and a level 2 out of 5 for hail 2 inches or greater. And we're headed to Perham, Minnesota for storms. That's where they should be going. These storms are going to be moving about 40 to 50 miles an hour, so we're going to have to be quite a bit ahead of them in order to stay in front of them. Just went four-wheeling. I drifted a ATV and went about 40 miles an hour on a road that was about 3 feet wide. So that was exciting, yay. And now I'm gonna go intercept. Right now we're live. Look at that, we're live. We're live on Twitter, Thomas J. Elvin. And about to go intercept some storms. So yeah, we're gonna head down there, see what happens. Have a good feeling about today. Main concern is don't want to fall behind storms and only intercept when there's major hail or a tornado, because we're not gonna be able to catch up with this thing unless, you know, we get things going for us, because there's really not any good road options. Everything's diagonal. We don't have any crisscrossing. So anyway, that's just of it. Let's go intercept some storms. Look at that. We got a low rain back in there. Right back in there, we got big time lowering shelf cloud, and that's right where the rotation is. And then right up in there, straight ahead, is the other part of the storm. Look at that. Wow. There is rotation on this according to radar. Pretty good rotation. Right out there where I saw that. Right out in front of us here, it looks pretty beefy. This looks like a beefy storm, actually. This is definitely our storm. Oh, lightning! Look at that. Wall cloud. Rotating wall cloud. We got a rapidly rising rotating wall cloud here just south of Walker, Minnesota. We got a rotating wall cloud. Look at that thing. This whole entire thing's rotating. Wow, that's fast rotation. That is fast rotation. Look at that thing. The whole entire thing's just going right to left, just like that. And then there's that lowering. I don't see anything on the ground. I'm gonna need to report this though. That is extremely fast rotation. We're in perfect position. We can intercept this if this touches down. Look at that thing. Oh, it's coming down. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, on the GoPro it's blowing out, but I can see it perfectly. Oh crap, is that? Oh my goodness, look at that come down. Look at that come down. Okay. I see something on the ground. I need more than that though. I need actual touchdown. Wow, that's rotating fast. That is rotating so fast right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's coming down a little bit. It's coming down. It's having suction vortices coming up. We got a rapidly rotating wall cloud, if not funnel. That is crazy fast. You can see the winds are strong back in there. Okay, we're gonna need to move. This thing moving quick. Man, that's rotating fast. Look at that coming down. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow, look at that come down. Don't see anything on the ground. Don't see anything on the ground, so if anything, it's a funnel. Oh, look at that. It's just teasing me right there. Okay, it's now moved off over there. Look at that. There's that funnel. See a funnel? If that's a funnel, it's at least rotating wall cloud. I'm gonna report rotating wall cloud because I don't know if that's a funnel. And then look at that big old scud bomb of a, this is strong storm. Okay, I'm gonna need to get ahead of this. It's moving quick. This thing's got major rotation. and up to ping pong ball size hail. So we got a good view, which is rare up here. And main rotation actually looks to be a little bit north of us, that lowering right there. Though we were seeing rotation south of us. We might intercept here. We just might. We got a nice area off the road. We got rotation, and we got good enough road options that we can get ahead of it if need be. But look at this thing, man. It's a beast. It's a beast. We're on the strongest storm today. We're on the big storm. So we're the only storm chaser on this storm. So any reports I do goes, it's basically, yeah, if there's a tornado, I should know about it. Golly, look at this storm. Wow. Okay, we're intercepting. There's no hail right now. We're on the edge of it. We don't have any service on T-Mobile, doing Verizon, but we should be pretty much close to the path of that of the previous run about 20 minutes ago, when this thing was that's where the rotation was. Okay, we're positioning ourselves in a way that if any trees do fall down, we're not going to be hit by it. We're obviously hoping for hail. There's big raindrops right now. Wind is a threat too, that's why I positioned myself here. We got very lucky with this spot. Big time lightning. Wow, almost continual. Interesting. I'm wondering what we'll get. I'm very curious what we're gonna get here. Whoa! Oh, that one hurt my eyeballs. We're pretty much right underneath where that rotation is, and in fact I see a lowering, and it's going right to the north, right above us right now. So we're gonna be close to it. We can intercept. It's actually a pretty darn good intercept. Still no hail. Winds are definitely creeping. Oh, hailstone! I just saw a hailstone. Oh, another one. Oh, we got hail. Dime size hail in the road. Dime size. Okay, we got hail. It's not huge, not enough to put a dent in the car, but that's hail right there, dime size. It's very in between. Okay, we got hail though. Oh, there's one. Let's see what we get. We got hail. Oh, I heard a hit. We got hail. We got hail. We got hail right now. Dime size as of right now. Oh, that one may have put a dent in there. Oh crap. Oh, that was quartered. Oh, golly. Okay, we got hail. Oh, we got hail. Oh, buddy. Okay, Lexen's in place. We're locked down. Let's see what type of hail we get. Whoa! We got hail! Okay, we got a car coming. There was a couple loud ones. Okay, hail's increasing. Ooh, that's a loud thud. We got hail. We got hail. Let's see how the Lexan holds up. Ooh! Big time. Ooh, that was a big one. There are some big ones in here. Larger than quarters in here. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Big hailstone. stones, larger than quarters. Wow. Big, huge. Wow. Golly. Ooh, whoa. Huh, those are possibly golf balls. I don't know, yo. Some of them are soft, some of them are hard. We're gonna have to inspect afterwards. Wow. We might get some tail dents from this one. Oh, here we go. More intense. Leaves in the road.